As we continue to fight for change in the nation Zimbabwe, let us not forget Honorable Amos Chibaya, who remain incarcerated at the notorious Chikurubi Maximum Prison. Comrade Gift of Stalos Ziba says, today marks 32 days since Honorable Amos Chibaya's unjust arrest on trumped-up charges. His unwavering stance against compromise has made him a target of political persecution. Despite knowing the risks, he stood firm. History will vindicate him. So it's not only Honorable Chibaya who is incarcerated. We still have other comrades, the Avondo 78, led by Senator Timber. They are still incarcerated, the majority of them. And, we are being told that in Gokwe, another change champion also has been arrested, and they are charging him with inciting violence. So many people have suffered at the hands of ZANU-PF, and this is how they operate. This is how ZANU-PF is evil. This is a political party which is hell-bent to make sure that the people of Zimbabwe continue to suffer, is hell-bent to make sure that the people of Zimbabwe will never have peace. And, there is nothing the people of Zimbabwe can do to free themselves unless we unite together, fight together, and confront the system. So ZANU-PF believes that they're in power forever. ZANU-PF believes that they're entitled to power, but they forget that power is temporary. Power comes, power goes. Leadership must change. The same way people die, leadership change. So this is what is happening at this point in time. Very sad situations, and we just continue to pray for the incarcerated comrades. We continue to pray for change to happen in our lifetime. So I love how our comrades have remained united under difficult circumstances. They've been paged by ZANU-PF left, right, and center. They've been abused by ZANU-PF left, right, and center, but they remain united, focused, and committed to the struggle. So we have gotten into this struggle knowing fully well the consequences of our actions against ZANU-PF. We know fully well what ZANU-PF is capable of doing. We know fully well how ZANU-PF operates and how they've mistreated our comrades for a very long time. It's a very sad situation to see our comrades being arrested and incarcerated without bail. Job Sikala spent close to 2 years behind bars for a crime which he didn't commit, for a crime which was quashed by the higher courts, both sentence and conviction. The major question will be, why waste somebody's future and life based on politics? So it's so wrong. Families have to suffer simply because someone wants to stay in power forever and ever. But they forget that time comes, time goes. When your time has come, and when your time to go has come also, you will still go, whether you like it or not.